Have you ever paused for a moment to reflect on the current state of salmon fishing in Alaska? This may seem like a niche topic, yet it's a vital aspect of the state's economy and environment. In years, this once thriving industry, a prominent source of livelihood and pride for Alaskans, has seen a significant decline. The once teeming rivers and streams filled with various species of salmon have gradually turned into a shadow of their former selves. But what's causing this downward trajectory? And why should we be concerned about it? Why should a dip in salmon population affect us? To fully comprehend the implications of this predicament, it's crucial to dive deep into the data and statistics that illuminate the situation with stark clarity. The numbers, as they say, never lie. And in this case, they paint a vivid picture of the current predicament and its potential implications. Over the past decade, Alaska's salmon population has seen a notable decrease. This decrease is not just a slight variation, it's a sharp, distressing drop that has disrupted the industry and the ecological balance. The Pacific Fishery Management Council, a leading authority in fisheries management, reports a drop of almost 50% in Chinook salmon, the king among salmon species, and once the cornerstone of Alaska's fishing industry. Such a significant decline in the population of a keystone species cannot be attributed to a single cause. Instead, it's a combination of several factors, all contributing to the decline of the salmon population in their unique ways. The first, and perhaps the most significant of these, is climate change. This global phenomenon, while often debated in public discourse, is unleashing its devastating effects on the world's ecosystems, including Alaska's rivers and streams. Climate change is playing a significant role in the salmon crisis. The warming waters of Alaska's rivers and streams, a direct result of global warming, are not ideal for salmon spawning. These majestic creatures require specific conditions to breed, and the rising temperatures are disrupting this delicate balance. The warmer the water, the less dissolved oxygen it contains, thereby making it less hospitable for salmon eggs. This leads to fewer new salmon entering the population each year, contributing to the overall decline. The next critical factor is overfishing. With the advent of modern fishing techniques and an increase in commercial fishing, the salmon population hasn't had a sufficient opportunity to recover. Overexploitation of resources is pushing the salmon population closer to the brink. Humans, in their pursuit of short-term economic gains, are ignoring the long-term ecological consequences of their actions. This intense and unsustainable harvesting of salmon is leading to drastic reductions in their populations, thereby threatening the industry's future. Finally, habitat destruction caused by human activities like mining and deforestation is severely impacting salmon populations. These activities, often undertaken without due consideration for the environment, pollute the waters where salmon live and breed. Mining releases harmful chemicals into the water, while deforestation leads to soil erosion, both of which contribute to the degradation of salmon habitats. This not only leads to a direct decline in salmon numbers, but also disrupts the entire freshwater ecosystem. As we can see, the decline in salmon fishing in Alaska is a multifaceted issue, rooted in a complex web of human activities and environmental changes. It's more than just a problem for Alaskans, it's a global concern. Salmon, after all, are a part of our shared natural heritage, and their decline is a grim reminder of the need to balance economic aspirations with ecological sustainability. So, have you ever pondered the current state of fishing in Alaska? If not, perhaps it's time you did, because this issue is not just about fish, it's about us. It's about our relationship with the environment and our responsibility to safeguard it for future generations. These activities pollute the waters where salmon live and breed, leading to a decline in their numbers. This decreasing salmon population has far-reaching effects. It's not just about the fish, it's about the entire ecosystem. Salmon are a keystone species in Alaska, meaning they play a vital role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystem. They are a primary food source for many animals, including bears, eagles, and seals. A decrease in salmon means these animals also face food shortages, disrupting the natural balance. Moreover, the decline in salmon fishing in Alaska has a significant socio-economic impact. Many Alaskan communities depend on the salmon industry for their livelihood. This downturn is causing economic instability and hardship for these communities. To summarize, the decline in salmon fishing in Alaska is a multifaceted issue with environmental, economic and social implications. It's a clear indicator of the broader effects of climate change, overfishing, and habitat destruction. It underscores the urgency of addressing these issues to preserve not just the salmon, but the entire Alaskan ecosystem and the communities that rely on it. As we move forward, it's crucial to remember that the actions we take today will determine the future of Alaska's salmon and the countless lives they touch. So remember to make choices that help protect and preserve not just for the salmon, but for the world we share with them.